Hi everyone, this is Krista with Art Graphics Studio. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to assemble the Art Graphics Studio Thanksgiving turkey centerpiece and place setting. For information on how to obtain the SVG files for these projects, see the Cricut Design Space segment at the end of this video. So let's get started. Here are the components for the turkey centerpiece. And we will start by folding along the score lines. And I will do that for the rest of them and be right back. All right, now we want to attach each of these together. All right, we're gonna let those dry and we'll start putting our body together. Now on these will be the body feathers, and we will put them together like this. And we will glue them together like that, two of them. Of course, you can make these the same color. They don't have to be two different colors if you don't want to. And then we will glue that here and here. And we'll do that to the other one and be right back. So now we'll start putting our features on our turkey body. And this will go this way. So on the outside, we need to put this. And then we will put our crown. Our beak. And our eye. All right, now we're going to put this on here. Line that up nice and straight, and then we will add this to this side so that it matches up. And again, we're going to put our beak and our eye. I'm gonna look and see about where that eye is on this side. A little further down. Okay. Now we're going to go back to our feathers. Now you can use designer paper instead of cardstock if you'd like to for this. Might be easier for you to work with. I like the cardstock because it makes for a sturdy centerpiece. So now that we've got that together, we want to fold it in half. And I'm going to put a binder clip on there that will help hold it together for the time being. And then we're going to do the same thing on these two pieces. Okay. Now what we want to do is we want to glue these two pieces together. Same thing here and here and here and here. We're just gonna let those dry for a little while. And then we'll be right back. Now we're going to put our body feathers on our body. And the way we'll do that is that we will glue just like that. We'll let this side dry and then we'll put this one on the other side. Right. Now this will be our feathers in the back. And what you want to do is go ahead and put a little glue in each of these so they will stay together. And you want to do that on all three colors. So let's let these dry and we'll come back and put them together. And we're going to stack these like this. And then we're going to attach just like that. And we're going to do that with glue. And we're going to take this and glue it to the bottom. And give that a little while to dry. All right, there we are. Our Thanksgiving centerpiece. Now here's our small place setting turkey. And you can use these just for decorations, or you can put names on them for seating. It's basically the same method for putting it together, except when it comes to the feathers. The feathers only use one piece. So go ahead and glue together the alternating circles to make the body feathers. And then put the components of the body together just like you did on the centerpiece. Now in this place setting, you won't add the two pieces together. You'll only have one piece for each of the sets of feathers, and you'll fold it in half, just like you did the other one, and then glue the pieces together along the bottom to hold them. The only difference is that you won't have two pieces that you glued together in the middle. And do the same for the other sets of feathers. And then go ahead and glue the body feathers to the body of the turkey on both sides. Now, just like you did on the centerpiece, glue each of the three sets of feathers together. And also, like you did on the centerpiece, now glue the body of the turkey to the feathers themselves. Now glue the stabilizer piece on the bottom of the unit. Now here is the completed centerpiece and one of the place setting pieces. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video useful, don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and notification bell to stay informed about more exciting projects. I appreciate you watching my video, and I will see you next time. If you're a Cricut Design Space user, you can access some of my shared projects by opening Cricut Design Space. and on the home screen, in the search bar, type Art Graphics Studio and press Enter. Then scroll down to Community Members and click on Art Graphics Studio. There you'll find all of my shared projects.